रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। टेक्निकल शमीम यूट्यूब चैनल की जानिब से आपको खुशामदीद कहा जाता है। आज इस वीडियो में आपसे ये बात शेयर करने जा रहे हैं कि
There are several ways to earn money from a website. Here are some common methods. 1. Advertising. You can place ads on your website and earn money through ad networks like Google AdSense. These networks display relevant ads to your visitors, and you earn money when users click on or view those ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services on your website and earn a commission for every sale or referral made through your affiliate links. Many companies offer affiliate programs that you can join, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. 3. Sponsored content. You can collaborate with brands and publish sponsored posts or reviews on your website. Companies will pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. 4. Selling products or services. If you have P.